Hello and welcome. It is April the 22nd, 2013, and I was going to go over some trades for the day. Hope everybody's having a great Monday. This is the, let's see, this is the trades that I took for the day. The last 10 trades, only took 10 trades, called it a day, and only 3 losses today. So 70% win ratio, and could have easily been 80%. So I'm just excited about this, and I'll just show you which strategy that I am refining. I went back to because I noticed some things weren't working for me, so I just kind of went back to the drawing board and I was going back over the rainbow strategy, which is basically using moving averages to find good entry points and make trades. So let's go over the trades real quick. I'm going to go over a few trades here. This is the Euro USD, and you can see this nice move down. These 4 moving averages have space between them all, and the price came up, retraced, and touched right here. Actually, I got in here on this candlestick. This is a little bit of a close trade. The price kind of went against me and then went down, but I took the put option on this moving average and won this trade. It was kind of close, but we won that one. Then the price started ranging a little bit, consolidating a little bit, and then dropped down. And the price came up and retraced all the way up to here. And I got in on this green candlestick as it got close to this moving average, and the price dropped down, and we won that trade there. Now the price started going up, and it came down and then touched this 14-day moving average, and took a call option here, and we won that trade as well. But the reason why I wanted to make this short video today is because the reason why the strategy works, rather, and why I wanted to make this video is because these moving averages give you a window into where you should avoid trading and where good setups could be. And just looking for a nice space in between each one of these moving averages and the pullback. You see this pullback right here can give you a good chance of winning a lot of trades. If you'd have gotten in here on this red candlestick, you would have won a nice 5 to 10 minute expiry. And if you use this combined with the Bollinger band, which gives you another window of opportunity to take a trade in terms of things being much clearer. But anyways, to add these moving averages, you would just go to insert indicators and then moving average. And then I add a 14 period moving average, then click OK, then go back to that menu again, then add a 26-day moving average, click OK, then add a 6-day moving average and click OK. And I make this 26-day moving average thicker than the other moving averages. That way I can see a clear line of where the support is or resistance. Notice how in an uptrend it acts like support, and in a downtrend this line will act like resistance. You see this right here in this downtrend. So you're looking for space in between these moving averages. You're not looking to trade when the price, when the lines get close. You're looking to kind of stay out at that point. And I talk about this in my trading guidelines of, trading during good market hours where bulls and bears are protecting certain areas. So if there's a downtrend that commences, you can then, you know that the bulls or bears are going to protect a certain range or area. So that's why I like the rainbow strategy. It's very effective, and I'm going to leave a link to the video about the rainbow strategy. And I also placed a few gold trades today, and I'm going to go over those gold trades. I'm just looking to continue to use the strategy because it's been a long time since I've reached the 70% win ratio, and I did reach that today. So I'm trying to, the highest I've been was like 68% with my other strategies. So I know one trade would have been the difference, a huge difference in my ratio. So anyways, once again, same thing. We look for a touch of the 14-day moving average. And then we got in here on this green candlestick for a put option trade. And just a nice, smooth, winning trade during, good market hour times where there's volume. So, it's just something I'm experimenting with. And I believe that if this is implemented, you can have a better idea of sticking with the trend, because a lot of times I would try to counter trend trade and lose, trying to trade against the trend. And like, for example, if you saw the price coming down all the way down here, trying to predict that, oh yeah, this is where the trend is going to end, so you place a call at the bottom here, you would have lost as it kept going down right here. So that's why I try to, the rainbow helps you to stick with the trend and look for those nice pullbacks. And taking smart trades, you can win consistently with this strategy. So it can work at times, doesn't work all the time. But you have to be careful with your trades. And yeah, that's pretty much it I have to talk about. Let me go over to insert indicators, Bollinger bands. You could also indicate, using Bollinger band for a 20-period moving average in the middle, and then click OK, and then that'll give you these three lines right here. Okay, so that's all I had to talk about for the day. Check out the blog. I wrote a new blog post. And make sure you sign up for my free guide if you're new to trading binary options. I have a lot of free content to give away. So check that out and have a great day.